So welcome to PBTECK and Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually track and then get FTA channels, which are Christian channels in all over Africa. Okay, so this group of channels include Love Word and then Emmanuel TV as well. So you can use different TPs which are on different satellite to track and then get this satellite. But we have one TP that if you are in West Africa, you're going to get it easier, which is on the Intelsat 20 degrees, which is 12722, vertical 26657. So using this TP, you're going to get it easier. And then we have different satellite, which I said earlier, Eurotelsat 10A, and then we have the SES4 satellites, which also have different TPs that you're going to use to track and then get a stable signal. When it comes to the satellite dish, you can use a 50 centimeters satellite dish. Any dish ranging from 50 centimeters upwards, you can use it to track and then get a stable signal of all this group of Christian channels. But one thing is that using a smaller dish, you're going to find it difficult to get a signal. All the time, try hard using a bigger satellite dish if you can afford, or if you can't afford using a smaller dish, make sure that you install it at a place whereby there's nothing blocking the signal waves from hitting on the satellite dish for you to get a stable signal. Alright, so with that LMB position, using the Intelsat 20 degrees with a TP which is 12722, using this TP all the time, make sure that it's on the 10 o'clock or the 2 o'clock position. I did a video that was explaining how you can actually position your LMB, so make sure that it's at the 10 o'clock or 2 o'clock. And then if you know the position of CBC Sports or DSTV, let's say DSTV satellite position is at this place. Okay, CBC Sports somewhere here, and then this satellite position, this Christian channels will be below the CBC Sports. So the dish will bend down a bit like this. So make sure that there is nothing blocking this space in order for you to get a stable signal easier. And it is on the northeast. So if you have a compass, analog compass, or you have a built-in compass on your smartphone, you can also download an app on your smartphone that will actually help you indicate your northeast, and then turn your satellite dish to face your northeast using the Intelsat TP. Okay, so all the TPs are going to be on your screen. You can pick the TP that you want to use it to track and then track to get a stable signal. And since it's an FTA channels, after getting a stable signal, all you got to do is to perform either blind scan or super blind in order for you to get more of the signal or the channels available on it. Alright, if you find this video helpful when you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bless.